Don't curse.
I painted that shit. You already f***ing up.
That used to say Zoom. Oh, it's a spider. Right in your face.
You ever heard of a socket, buddy?
I'll handle the pipe here.
Papa's filming. Don't curse.
I went and touched up the white that was still warm. Where that washer was. Touched that up yesterday.
What's up, bud?
How are you doing?
Good, man. It's a lot better now that I don't have COVID again this time.
Oh, jeez.
Are you filming?
Yeah. I forgot.
Yeah, that's a freaking race bike right there.
I did. I already filmed it. I'm gonna film the Grob.
I painted that shit. You already f***ing up.
Nah, don't say that.
Hey, I looped my 110 today. I'm trying to do wheelies, man. I've been watching you. I just want to be inspired to do wheelies. I was getting them.
Ask me how to do it yet.
I was getting them pretty good, man. I was getting them at least probably, I would say probably 15, 20 feet. And the other one, I sent it up a little too hard and it flipped it. Luckily, I had my turtle shell on.
Oh yeah, that probably helped save your back.
It did.
Freaking idiot.
Look what I'm rocking. I'm rocking an upside down peg.
Wow.
Eric had an extra one. I broke mine.
I like how your Zoom logo is all destroyed.
Yeah.
All right, cool. We time lap. Nope, we're not. What are we doing here tonight, Nicholas?
Hopefully, wrapping the things up with this car right here. Yeah, boy!
I don't know if we filmed it yet, but it's got the manifold on. Got the fuel rail. Kevin Gates on there. Y'all have already seen that.
Tell him, Joey, what all you done to it.
I don't even know what these things are called.
Wastegates.
Race gates, yeah. And a turbo downpipe.
Hi, Dad.
Keep going. Hey, Dose.
Down.
You did this too, right?
Forward, back.
You did this?
Excuse me.
Shut up. I'm filming.
Yeah, we did all this.
Oh, there's a spider. Right in your face.
Get out of here.
You did all that? Looks good, sir. You gotta get close up with lights so
Well, we
people
were
can talk
gonna
shit about
add
your welds.
another one, but maybe not.
It's pretty solid, man.
You know, everybody's a fucking critic on
What?
Facebook and stuff. They'll be like, those welds are too far apart. You didn't hold your right when you did it.
Yeah, my was always a little to the left.
Mine too, bro.
It's pretty good, though, right, Robbie?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Get this oil pan gasket swapped out, too.
Yeah, they probably saw that clip already because from when we were here last time, it was very oily, but Nick's got a new pan. Let's see what kind of goodies you got here. You got the GoPro to get the timeline shots. What we got her? Pressure gauge. That. Wow, dude, you went genuine Honda. Fancy boy.
That's what I only run, dog.
Really, you run genuine. You didn't get Honda bond? Wow, you poser.
It came with that kit, dog. You ever heard of a socket, buddy?
Dude, using an
I thought it was
adjustable.
gonna be loose.
Joey said, "F*** it, I'm just
Why
gonna
is it
round
tight?
it. I'm gonna round the bolt."
I don't think I tightened that shit.
Man, I didn't know we were going back in time, bro.
This dude's like, "Oh, Greg."
I thought it was finger tight.
We showed up with Milwaukee tools last time. He was like, "Oh my God, what are those?"
They didn't want to go to that toolbox anyway, because everything in that toolbox is standard.
Oh my God.
Every f***ing thing.
Was it 1975?
You got a big block, you get some...
Yeah, we could build a big block in this bitch. God,
Tight, boy.
what the hell? I put it on with the impact. I don't know why it's stripped.
I didn't want to drop it, but...
So tell the people what we're doing right now, man.
Right now, we're draining the oil, the petrol.
Draining oil.
The petrol.
The what?
The petrol. The fuel.
Oh, okay. Joe, you can come take over now.
Purple rain, purple rain.
I'm putting a slow-mo to that.
Man of Jesus. I'm ready for his shit now.
You got that?
That's all, folks.
Yeah, pretty aggressive when you do things like that.
Just kick that shit out of the way.
Yeah, why is it in my way?
You put it there.
Kick it. Kick it out of the way.
I'm not a fan of this.
How dare you, dude?
Get off me with your rod. You about to smack me in the face with your rod.
Yeah,
It would have hurt probably. As you can see, somebody welded this shift link
Dude, I was
together.
looking at that. That is insane looking. What the hell is that? What in the world?
I think I got another spare shift linkage. I'm gonna just put another one in here.
I mean,
I don't really like that.
You don't drive your cars hard.
Yeah,
So it's probably not gonna break. But that is a boogery mess too. Look at that right there.
Maybe Joey could touch it up for me.
Good God, that looks like shit. 1 out of 10. How bad is that? Like 10 being excellent, 1 being dog shit.
9.
9 being dog shit.
Yeah, dog shit.
Oh, you said
8 or 9. 8 or 9. I've seen. Yeah, it
No,
could be way worse.
You're doing it backwards, but I get your point.
Yeah, being the worst. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so
Oh,
you're
okay. Lower number, the worst.
Yeah,
I got
lower
you.
and lower. Yeah, you don't want to date a girl
It's
that's
like
a 3.
Oh yeah, it's like a 2.
That's a 2. You want to weld it?
Yeah. I'm already blind.
Stare directly at the light.
I bet that would be a good boat driver. You think? All they do is like this. They do like this.
Let me drive the boat. Let me drive
I mean, one wheel in that shit.
I'll never get on a boat with you driving it.
Catching them waves like this. Boom, boom.
I wouldn't get on a pontoon boat with you.
Well,
Nick would be like, I K-swapped it, and then we all drown.
Alright, why did I just lose gas then?
Are you out of gas?
Oh, did you step on my line?
Oh, I touched it. I'm sorry. What a piece of shit, dude.
ah, idiot. I'm gonna break down. Feel it coming.
Hey, can you go over there and make sure that I don't like push this off the board?
Yeah, go hold his wood.
Hey, bro, I just want you to hold it down.
Grab his wood.
Hold
firmly.
it down. Just like
Press-
stay out of the way.
Grab the wood. Hold it firmly. Piece of shit.
Good.
Yeah,
He's really good at handling wood.
And pipe.
Hey, I'll handle the pipe here.
What did he say?
Holding it still.
Hold it still.
Shut up!
Oh, no, he's dragging the boat. Do a wheelie.
No, this time on.
It's got a wheelie bar on it, bitch.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
What
What was that, bro? The spar knocking? Nice.
touch down on the tip,
And then back it off.
and then I close my hood, and then I barely lift up.
Okay.
Make sure you're lifted up, like tap it or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, but when you lift up, you gotta be lifted up to mesh the pedal. But just barely lift it up, like you're right, like you're above with a pin. Yeah, just get comfortable. Yeah, good. Whoa, 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 whoa. You gotta go low and slow.
So that's too much pedal?
Barely any pedal, and stay close, because when you go far away, it throws a big flame. You don't want a big flame, you want a pinpointed little point, you know what I mean? So go very light and just look at it. Just very light, barely any pedal. But so it'll wait a second until it goes, just free gas. You need to go closer. There you go, there you are. You see your reflection, you're like pretty close.
Yeah.
Alright, now pump it up a little bit. Stay close. Alright, you got a little dot, move forward. Move forward. Like one more dot forward. Pulse it. Pulse it a little harder. Let's stay close. Don't forget to move.
I can't see shit through here.
No, you can't.
I can't really see through here that good though, man, at all.
Really? Try to stay more like that.
Like straight up and down?
Yeah.
Alright, where are you gonna put it at?
Is that good?
Let me see. It's not bad. See, I see way better out of this though.